Today on Drinks with Diablo, we're making a drink. It's called the Fruity Pebble. Alright, welcome back to Drinks with Diablo. This is your host, Johnny Diablo. And today we're making the Fruity Pebble. Now I've heard that this is John Cena's drink of choice when he goes to the bar. Alright, what you're going to need: vanilla vodka, grenadine, blue curacao, and milk. You're going to put it in a short glass with ice. So here's how it goes. 1.5 ounces of vanilla vodka. Half an ounce of blue curacao. Fill it with milk. And give it a dash of grenadine. No? Dash. Stir that puppy up. And it kind of looks like purplish. I think this is supposed to be like your milk that's left after you eat your cereal. Fruity Pebble. But let's test it and find out. Well, vanilla comes through. I don't know. This isn't my favorite drink. It's okay. It's not. It's got vodka in it. Blue curacao doesn't really come through. It just adds color. Grenadine, same thing. It's almost like vanilla milk. Yeah, not my favorite drink, but there it is. That is how you make it, the Fruity Pebble. It's wimpy. There you go. Fruity Pebble! Hey, if you want to learn how to make more drink recipes just like this one, you know what to do. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. No, we're going to be right here posting them for like all eternity. That's right. Thanks again for being here. And as always, happy drinking!
Happy drinking. Happy drinking.